Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Today we're going to do a mallet smash. This is just a really fun technique. Definitely a good, anger management tool. I do have a wood board here and it is primed with just a bare primer and paint. So I'm going to cover this first with some white paint. And all of my paints, well, this one is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. It's mixed with floetrol and water. And then I will be using some of the Arteza pouring colors because I want to use some of these really fun, bright colors. And those are just ready mixed. They come in the box ready to go. So first thing we'll do is get this covered with the white. All right, we've got it covered with white. So we're gonna go in here with our colors. And like I said, I want some bright colors. So I'm gonna just do some various puddles through here. This is neon pink. Well, it looked like there was a little gloop in that one. I don't have a specific idea for like a particular pattern. I'm just gonna kind of wing it and have fun with this. So neon pink, I'm gonna use a little bit of black, which I think goes really good with neon pink. And yeah, like I said, we're just gonna do some various puddles throughout here. I'll take a minute doing this, so I'll go ahead and speed this part up. All right, guys, this is your loud sound warning. So if you have headphones on, take them off. I'm not sure how violent I'm going to be, but at this stage, you just smash this as much or as little as you want. You really don't need to use a lot of force. You can kind of tap it, but you know, I'm just gonna have fun with it, and here we go. Okay, guys, hold on. I have to show you. I have to show you something. 1 second. So my husband was helping me video, and well, yeah. Oops, sorry, babe. It went everywhere. Yeah. It even got on my plaque. Okay, so maybe don't be quite so violent with it, but you know what? That was a lot of fun and totally worth it. It is all over my studio now, so also maybe do it like at the bottom of a box, I guess. I love this though. What do you think, babe?
I dig it.
Good, because it's all over your face. All right, let's do our close-up. All right, so here's the lower right-hand corner. And you can, of course, tilt at this stage if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it as is because this is so fun. Here's the upper right-hand corner. Upper left-hand corner. And then down here, lower right-hand corner. And overall, again. Okay, guys, so that was the mallet smash. I do recommend now washing your mallet off. You can also cover this with plastic beforehand just to make it easier. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you're having a bad day, this is a really good technique to just kind of, go crazy and let it all out. I will see you guys next time.